Version 11 of Softros LAN Messenger introduces video call functionality, offering the only true serverless video conferencing solution on the market. With no data leaving your network, you are not dependent on an internet connection, and your security is significantly improved. In this video, we will demonstrate how simple it is to make and receive video calls with Softros LAN Messenger. To make a call, click on a user in the list, as you would normally to start a conversation. Then click the call button at the top of the conversation window. In the call window that appears, you can select which devices you want to enable at the start of the call. Clicking any of these buttons initiates the call. On the recipient side, a similar window pops up, displaying the name of the caller and offering the same connection options. Once the recipient makes a selection, the call starts. During the call, you can turn on and off your camera, microphone, or speakers from the menu at the top of the call window. You can also switch between your devices without interrupting the call. To add more users to the call, simply click the Invite button. Select the new users and click Add. Clicking on a call participant will zoom in on their video, and another click will zoom out. That is it. Thank you for watching.